Leave the clutch down.
Okay, there's a bus coming. Can we wait till the bus goes?
No, we can go. Plenty of gas. Hold them on the pipe. No.
I knew that was going to happen.
Handbrake on.
1, 2, 3. See?
Don't overthink it. Just deal with it.
I keep going. I know what I keep doing.
What are you doing? What? Oh, you beauty! Now that's how you do it.
It's cause
What?
stop thinking.
Yeah. I'd like you to find somewhere safe, legal and convenient to pull up on the left for me, please.
I know it. Oh, why am I doing that?
There we go, thank you. Move away when ready, please.
He had a chance.
At the next roundabout, go right, please.
Okay. Okay, let's get down to business. I'm in second, so we'll see what we're working with when we get there. Right. Mirror, mirror, signal. We've got a car coming out, so we see if they're going to get, because I got to go right away to them, but only if, is he going to go? He's going to go, isn't he? Okay. Now I can, no I can't, yeah I can. Because she's gone that way. Ooh.
Okay.
I don't think I should jump to a 2 here though. No, reverse. Yes, I'm going to have to jump to a 2. Go for it. Let's not let the car slow down. I like this road. Let's just maintain our safety and distance.
The top of the road will turn left, please.
I know there's no more turns, I'm just turning. Right. Mirror. Oh, look at that. Diverted traffic's gone that way. No one coming, no one coming, no one coming, no one coming. Because I don't want to stop, right? I just dropped it. I don't know how the hell I managed to.
Not me. If it works.
It works.
It works.
It's clever, folks.
What would have been a better gear for that junction?
1.
But you got away with it, so.
We did it, so.
Yeah.
And that's where my focus goes on one thing and then I forget about another thing.
We will turn right at the top of the road, please.
Take into account drives. I know I'm pushing the engine a bit too much. I should drop it second. But
Nope, first is perfect.
I'm just thinking I'm on a rural road. It's
Which way are we going?
that way. I can't see here a minute. This is why you wanted me here.
See that there?
Yeah.
I think that's a real driving test.
So we're lucky we stopped.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, shall I just like go slowly then? So.
What we'll do is we'll take the next turning on the right.
Okay. Oh.
And at the end of the road we'll turn right, please.
I wonder if we'll have to stop this time. I'm gonna have to, yeah, because.
I would if I was you, okay, because it's a completely blind junction, isn't it? Yeah? You can't see your left foot above the clutch pedal ready.
I'm too far. I'm just gonna have to do with it. Okay, right. 1, 2, 3. See?
Don't overthink it. Just deal with it. It's how you deal with it's more important, okay?
I keep going. I know what I keep doing.
What are you doing? What?
You're broken your engine.
No.
Okay, right.
Just take a deep breath. That's it. You know what to do.
Yeah, take that away.
Oh, you beauty! Now that's how you do it.
It's because
What?
stop thinking.
Yeah. Just deal with it. Don't
Right,
try
okay,
not to overthink it. Just deal with it.
It's once that first one fails, I'm like,
Yeah, just let it go. Just let it
Park's
go.
getting a makeover.
Right. We're going left at the top of the road, please.
Why has he just gone kind of into the middle of the road? Out of curiosity.
Because it's on an angle, he wants to get at 90 degrees,
Oh, he's gone that
so
way.
he can see left and right better, okay? Watch this wall. That's it. Turn, 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 turn. Stop. That's it.
What just happened then?
You just left the clutch up too long, okay?
Okay, right.
That's it. A little bit far. Start the engine for me. Leave the clutch down.
Okay, there's a bus coming. Wait
That's
till
it.
the bus goes.
No, we can go. Plenty of gas. Hold it on the pipe. No.
I knew that was going to happen.
Handbrake on.
I told you wait.
Start the car. Now we have to wait for the bus. Now the bus is too close. Hopefully somebody won't come up there, yeah, and block us off.
Okay.
Now you know what to do.
I do, but I don't.
Yes, you do. Do it.
No. Fucking hell! I can't.
Start the car for me. Start the car for me. Handbrake on.
It's too
You're
much.
just bringing the clutch up too fast,
I know.
that's all. Right, foot off the brake.
Yeah.
That's it. Left hand on the handbrake. Look to the right. Stay in that position now for me, okay?
Okay.
Now then, hold it on the bike point for as long as you can, okay?
Okay, tell me. What
Right
now?
then, after this black car.
Am I on the bike pen now?
No, let's wait for the silver car to go first.
But I'm-
Wait. That's it.
Oh, there's someone behind me.
Don't
Are
worry,
you ready?
don't worry about it.
Okay.
Plenty of gas. Hold down the bike point. Handbrake off. Hold it. Beautiful. Straighten it up. There we go. You even managed to do that in second gear. How the
I didn't
did
even.
you do that?
Is that why I kept stalling? So it was nothing to do with the hills. It was to do with my gear. Bam, wham.
You managed to do that, okay, in second gear. How much control did that take you?
Well, I don't know.
Shitloads. Yeah.
Yeah. So, hi Jess. See that? It's not the hill starts are the problem. Just make sure you're in the right gear. Yes, I'm going with
How
that.
simple was that?
I'm going in with that momentum. Okay. The problem
If you
wasn't.
could do that in second gear, okay, you can do any junction, you can do any hill start on earth. If you can manage to do that junction in second gear...
By
you could-
mistake.
yeah, by mistake, but look at it as a bonus point, okay? Now you know you can even do it in second gear because you're that with that clutch pedal. Well
Yeah,
done,
but
you.
I did stall 3 times because of it.
Yes.
So can we just say it's not my hill starts that the
No,
problem?
it wasn't. No.
It's me
If you'd have just looked down,
and
you'd
realised I
have
was
got
in
it
the wrong.
first time.
Yeah, because I didn't realise I was in the wrong gear.
Not to worry. Now then, how good was that?
Scary, but
Scary,
do you know
but
how do you know how reassuring that is? That wasn't.
Brilliant.
Although it was my fault, it wasn't technically my fault.
Exactly. We're going right here, please. So your hill starts were perfect.
Just that I was in the wrong gear.
If you'd have just looked down, you would have sorted it out. Yeah?